Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to clip on hair extensions. So hair extensions add a lot of length and body to your hair. Clip on hair extensions are super easy to use, trust me, and that's what I'm going to show you in this video. So I'm going to use Diva Divine hair extensions. These are 130 grams in weight. I'm going to take them out. So I got these extensions. So this is one piece, 3 clips, and very easy to put. Now these extensions weigh 130 grams and it is actually super easy to put because there's just one patch and it adds a lot of volume to my hair. So I got balayage done on my hair a while ago and I wanted my extensions to match this color. I sent my picture to Diva Divine and they sent me the exact shade. It matches my hair so well. So when I style my hair, like do curls, or if I straighten them out or do a blow dry, then also these extensions match my hair so well and they look very good. So the best part about having real hair extensions is that you can wash them, curl them, straighten them, color them, blow dry them, do whatever you want. You just have to treat them like your own hair and it's actually going to stay with you for a really long time. So now without further ado, I'm going to dig into the best part of the video and I'm going to actually curl my extensions off camera because I'll need someone to hold this part while I curl the extensions. Then I'm going to come back and curl my hair in front of you, and then I'm going to show you how to clip on the extensions and make them look like your own hair. So you guys need to keep watching this video because I am going to reveal a surprise by the end of the video. I'm going to style my hair by adding some curls, and to do that I have a really simple hack that I want you guys to follow when you do curls next time. All you need is a big band because you'll have to tie your hair during the process, and if you'll sort of take a small band, it can leave a dent on your hair, which is obviously something that you don't want. So you'll need to do a really high ponytail. Going to tie my hair up here. My curling rod is already hot and I'm going to start taking small sections and I'm going to start curling them out. I'm actually not really going to be following a certain direction. Whatever comes, whatever way, I'm just going to curl them. Soft curl that you have here. So I have this one last section left. Have these beautiful curls here. So I have my extensions here which are already curled. I'm going to open up the curls a little bit before putting them on, and then these are going to easily merge into my own hair. So as you can see, the length of the extension is pretty good and length of my hair is this much. So I'll need to actually put my extensions up here. I'll need to clip them on here so that it gives me a little more length and more volume. And you can see the band is also really small, so it's going to fit here really well. So now I'm going to section my hair from here, going straight to back. The section doesn't have to be perfect. It's totally fine, and I'm going to clip this part up. So before I go ahead and clip these on, I wanted to show you that these extensions have these clip-ons. All you have to do is open these up, clip them on and close them. So it's always better to tease your hair before to clip your extensions. So I'm going to take these small sections and tease them. It's just for the clip-ons to stay better. The center clip-on goes in the center. So now I'm going to add little bit of volume on these areas as well, just a little bit of back combing. And then let's go over here. Just look at the volume, you guys. My hair are looking so good in volume, and the hair extensions are matching into my colors so naturally. They are blending in well, so good that you can't actually really make out that I have actually put in hair extensions on my hair. Just look at them, look at them. It's just so natural. So before ending this video, I wanted to talk a little more about this topic. So I have been working in this industry for a couple of years, and I always suggest my client to go for real hair extensions, because when you have extensions, you can really play with the hair. The hairstylist style the hair really well when they have, you know, a good volume, because without extensions the hair look quite limp when they are styled. So we have sort of a lot of limitations when it comes to styling the hair without extensions. Also, I've spoken to a lot of people, and I think they think that once they've invested into the extensions, they feel that, you know, they can't really put them on their own, or they'll have to run to a salon every time they want to put extensions on. But obviously you can see that that's not the case. It's really simple to put them on. Having hair extensions on, it's like a game changer, you guys. So I think I have given you a lot of information about hair extensions. Again, I'm going to tell you that my hair extensions are from Diva Divine. I'm going to tag them below so that you guys can get connected with them if you have any requirements. And that's all. I'm going to take your leave, and I'm going to see you next when I see you next. Don't worry, I'm still here. I know you are waiting for the surprise. So if you guys want to buy hair extensions, I have a coupon code. I have a discount code. The code is ISHDD20. So you get 20% discount when you buy Diva Divine hair extensions using my code. And happy shopping, you guys. Enjoy your extensions. See you soon.